So welcome back. We're going to try to graph another system of equations. And again, what we're looking for is that point of intersection. So let's look at the two equations that were given. Notice that these are what we call standard form. And again, when they look like this, I could solve for y and put them in slope-intercept form. But also, we know that we can graph them by finding the x and y intercepts. So I'm going to use that strategy this time and just find the x and y intercepts and see where this takes us. So again, to find the x-intercept, so I'm going to look at this one. So I have 4x plus y is equal to 2. To find the x-intercept, we set y equal to 0. So remember, the y is going to fall out, so I have 4x is equal to 2. Divide each side by 4, x equals 2/4, or x equals 1/2. So I do end up with a fraction, but a half I can kind of deal with that one. Let's see, I got to find now the y-intercept. So the y-intercept, we set x equal to 0. So this is going to fall out, and you would have y is equal to 2. So 1/2 and 2 are my x and y intercepts. Let's look at this next one. So I have x minus y is equal to 3. Again, to find the x-intercept, you set y equal to 0. So that falls out. X equals 3 is the x-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we set x equal to 0. We have the opposite of y equals 3. So I could change that to a y as long as I make that a -3. So I can divide both sides by a negative, and that would change the signs over. So I have x-intercept is 3, and the y-intercept is a -3. So let's see if we can graph these. So the first one I have is the x-intercept is a half. So the half would be located about there. And the y-intercept would be a 2. So I'm getting that as my other value. So I could then sketch my graph to those 2 points.